All right, so we're gonna end off the night with a nice session in the soaking tub. It'd be a shame not to utilize this while we're here, so I'll see you guys in the morning for more.
As far back as I can.
Okay, a little dimmer action here. So today I am at the Nomad Hotel, which is a hotel within a hotel, similar to the Crockfords. Nomad is a hotel at the Park MGM on the Las Vegas Strip. It occupies the top few floors of Park MGM. Lately I've been doing a lot of really cool rooms in Vegas, and I haven't been doing many standard rooms. So today I actually wanted to book a standard room at Nomad, but unfortunately the standard room I booked just wasn't ready. It wasn't ready at 3, it wasn't ready at 4, it wasn't ready past 4. So I was actually asking them to just give me a refund. I just didn't want to wait any longer. So instead they offered me a 2-bed standard room, and I said, nah, I'll still take the refund, you know, it's getting a little late. But then they were like, no, we don't want you to leave, we'll give you an upgrade. So they upgraded me to this room, which I believe is called the Bronze Suite. Now, judging from what I've seen online, I believe the standard room here is 1 room, whereas this one has basically 2 rooms. There's like a living room area and then the bedroom. And this one comes with 2 bathrooms, the one I'm in right here, and then there's a bathroom right next to the front entrance. And also there's a soaking tub right here. So I think those are the only differences really. I'm not sure on the pricing, I'll check out the pricing, but obviously you have the soaking tub here. You have the bedroom, and then this is like the living room area I was referring to. You got your little walkway over here. This is cool. And a bar. Here's the bar area, boom, bar area. And here's that bathroom I was referring to. And I do have a video I stayed at the Park MGM, and I had a standard room there. So you can check that out if you're interested. I think the Nomad rooms and Park MGM rooms are very similar. Nomad is just a higher, more luxury feel, just a bit more luxury to your stay. Pretty good view. I gotta say, architecturally speaking, I think Waldorf Astoria is my favorite building in Vegas. I love it. It's so, the angles, I don't know. All right, so Greta just got here. That's Greta. So we're about to take a break from Nomad. We'll come back to talk more about Nomad and show you everything there is to show you. But we're gonna quickly go shopping and get some snacks. So there's a bunch of businesses right behind me on the south end of the strip, kind of like across the street from Park MGM and Nomad. And I pass them all the time doing live streams, but I really never explored them before. So we're gonna check out a few. We just got M&Ms, as you saw, at the M&M store. There's the Coca-Cola store. And we're about to head downstairs right here to the Marshalls. I wonder if the prices here are similar to other Marshalls. Everything on the strip is a lot more expensive than normal, you know, but we're about to let you guys know. Nope. Ooh, I like that one.
Yeah?
Actually, I think I like this one better though.
You like this one also?
That one's kind of cool. This one's cool. Looks like they got some good ones over here. This one's cool. This one's cool. That one's cool. So prices were basically the same as every other Marshalls I've ever been to. Found 2 cool shirts. Successful. Something's telling me that these slippers can be misinterpreted. Okay, we're in Ross now. Coca-Cola store, I don't really get it. It's just a bunch of random apparel with the Coke branding on it. I guess people are passionate about the Coca-Cola brand. I guess. Where's Greta? Greta? There you are.
I'm here.
I lost you for a second. Okay, got a few good things at the store here. This shirt and every other shirt that we got, around $12, $13. These M&Ms, $18.
I don't know what this is called in America, but this is called doing the candle in Italy. Pretty good, right? Was that straight?
That was really random. We're about to show you guys the fitness center. So right next to the fitness center is the Park MGM spa. Then next to the spa is this wing, this hallway that goes down to the Nomad pool, which unfortunately the pool is only open on the weekends right now, but that's an exclusive Nomad pool. You can't stay at Park MGM and go to it, so that is a little perk if you stay at Nomad, the Nomad side. But there's the salon here as well. So back here is the pool for Nomad, here's the Nomad salon, and then yeah, you have your spa, fitness center, and then the whole section of conference rooms and conference side. The entirety of Park MGM has this theme of a park. A lot of the artwork shows pictures of parks, different park areas, and nature. Carpets and the flooring, all and the walls and everywhere just kind of has this nature, green color and park, foresty vibes to it. Yeah, Park MGM. Alright, so we're going to cap off this night with a nice session in the soaking tub. I'll see you guys in the morning. Truth be told, I'm more of a morning person these days, so last night we called it we called it a night pretty early after dinner. But I'm up early and I wanted to talk a little bit about Park MGM / Nomad. So Park MGM itself is somewhat of a luxury property, I would say, but Nomad is essentially the more luxurious side of Park MGM. And overall, at first, to be honest with you, I didn't really understand or like the decor and the overall style, but it definitely grew on me, and now I've grown to really like it. It's very unique, and it gives you that kind of old style New York City hotel feel, like with the leather chairs and the different pieces of furniture and decorations in the rooms, which is very different than any other place in Las Vegas. So I definitely appreciate that much more now. I don't know, I think it's kind of an elegant, kind of exquisite taste and feel to Las Vegas hotels. When I was grabbing this coffee downstairs, I was exploring some more, and Nomad has their own bar, and I peeked in and it was really beautiful, just really nice style bar. You guys should definitely check it out if you're here, if you come to Park MGM or Nomad. And Nomad also has their own section of the casino. There's a big room that's kind of separate from the casino that's called the Nomad Casino. Yeah, Nomad has the exclusive pool, you got the Nomad bar, and then you also have the Nomad Library, which is a restaurant here.